What it do, grind family? Reggie P here. Hey, let me ask you something. Would you like to make $50 to $80 an hour using your smartphone? Well, in today's video, I'm going to show you how. So stay tuned.
This is App Grind TV. Get your grind on.
Welcome to App Grind TV with your boy Reggie P, and I help entrepreneurs make money on autopilot. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can earn $50 to $80 just using your smartphone. Now, if you're new to my channel, I help entrepreneurs make money online, make money on YouTube, and make money with apps. And usually I give away free money. So please smash that like button and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded. Now, before I get into this opportunity, please check in the description below where it says free giveaways. I have some free gifts for you that you can have right now, but you gotta be subscribed to this channel before you can get those free gifts. So check that out below. Now, please watch this video to the very end because I have a special bonus for you guys. Now, without further ado, let me hop over here to my computer and show you how you can earn $50 to $80 just using your smartphone. Let's grind and let's get it.
Okay, I'm on the internet and I'm at this website called ProductTube. All right, it says here, make short videos, get rewarded. The only website that rewards you for making short videos about everyday shopping habits. All right, here how it works. You sign up, go to producttube.com from your smartphone or laptop to sign in, record. You will start receiving invites to video projects. Follow simple instructions to record your product experiences. Upload videos to ProductTube directly from your phone using our iPhone or Android app or online at producttube.com. Get rewards. Within 48 hours, you will start receiving your rewards via Amazon gift cards. And it says here, make $50 to $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. All right, here's in the demo. There are two types of videos, both of which can be recorded simply using your phone camera. No additional equipment or software required. So it shows here, when you're in stores, you're just gonna use the video on your phone and start recording the product. So it says log into producttube.com once you receive new product notifications in your email. So here's a sample right here if you want to watch it. Let me see if I can click on there and see if it'll come up.
Hi, I am in the beer aisle.
So this person's in the beer aisle at the store, and you see they recording from their phone. So I guess the product is one of these beers right here. So they just get the product right here, record a little bit about it for a minute or two, and that's it. So when you sign on or go to this website, you can look at the whole video. And then they have at-home videos. So as you can see right here, this image showing somebody's eating maybe cereal or something, and they're filming while they're eating. So it says log into producttube.com once you have received new product project notifications in your email. For certain products, you may be recontacted to make future videos for additional incentive. And it's a video right here for at-home videos. I'm not going to look at that. You can look at that once you check this site out. So you receive rewards within 48 hours. Videos should be watchable and audible, but do not need to be edited. So you don't have to edit video. You just make the video, take 1 or 2 minutes, make the video. And here's a testimony. You can read that also when you come on this website. And here's a video testimony of somebody that their experience with this website. Okay, let's go down here to frequently asked questions. So right here, it says, how do I receive my rewards? You will go to my rewards under www.producttube.com and redeem your rewards through Amazon e-gift certificates. So from my experience, you will get Amazon e-gift certificates, but you can also cash that in to get PayPal money. So that concludes this site. I mean, it's kind of straightforward and simple. Just make a little short video and you get paid within 48 hours. Now, like I said earlier, you will receive between $50 and $80 for 1 hour of effort per month. So you might not get a lot of money every month, but this is some nice side extra money you can start getting once you start this process as far as making small little short videos. All right, so that concludes this website. Again, go to producttube.com if you like this site and you're interested in signing up.
All right, so now you know the app you could download today and start making $50 to $80 using your smartphone. Now, go ahead and download that app right now and start making this money. All right, thank you for watching this video to this point. As promised, let me tell you about the special bonus I have for you guys. If you guys can help me get to 500 subscribers, I'm going to reward 2 people with free money. Yes, free money. And all you have to do is leave a comment down below in this video and all my videos that's leading up to the 500 subscriber video. Now I'm currently at 367. I have a little ways to go, but I know I can get there with you guys' help. So what I'm going to do is randomly pick a comment once I get to 500 subscribers and reward that person, the first person, with $20 cash via PayPal or $20 Amazon gift card. The choice is yours. Then the second person, I'm going to reward them with $10 cash via PayPal. So make sure you leave that comment down below. And if you're new, destroy that subscribe button right now. All right, that's all I have for this video. Again, hit that like button. Let's get 25 likes, guys. The more likes I get, the more the video will be pushed on YouTube into the search engine. That means more people will see it. That means more people will be willing to subscribe. And once we get more subscribers to 500 subscribers, you know what that means? You're gonna get this money. So let's get some likes, guys. All right, and please leave that comment down below. If you have a question about what I talked about today, please share this on social media everywhere. And please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so you know when a new video has been uploaded, because I make videos like this every day. All right, it's a wrap. I'm done. I'm finished. Before I leave, make sure you get your grind on, because the grind is real. See you in the next video. Deuces.